So,
Okay. And now time to kill yourself.
what? No,
Gore.
none of this on my
This-
video.
You're so funny.
Wait, if you s- I'm just.
He slapped that one.
Are you fuck? Did you just? Hey, no way. Did you just do a? Okay.
Okay. Alright,
I'm
that's
not
all.
even gonna say. You probably did not do it, and then I'm gonna look like a fucking dumbass.
What did I not do?
It's
Wait, what am I supposed to draw?
Whatever.
anything. It's like wait, where did you die in Silent Club stuff? Where did you die? Wait.
This was kind of easy, I'm not gonna lie. Ego. There you go.
Wait to drop peak. Wait, I was gonna keep it like this. It's gonna go like so fucking dog shit immediately. Because I think it's like too detailed to be drawn quickly, even though it's not a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, whoever gets this, good luck.
Why is all that bad, honestly?
You just you can look at the other drawing that you get for as long as you want, but the time still is going.
Oh,
You have to memorize it.
gold.
You should go draw to find like fucking kill yourself like or some shit.
Mine is gonna be like the
'Cause-
easiest shit on earth. I am. I kind of cooked with this drawing. It's not exactly the best, but like, oh.
Oh, okay, what? Okay, what's this?
What's
this?
He keeps the
Actually, yes, what? I know it.
I
I
told
know
him.
it's Sam. I
Wait,
know
I
it's
have
Sam.
to. Wait, I have to redraw it.
Yes, okay, what?
Oh, I should have looked more. Okay.
Oh fuck, I forgot immediately. Wait, is it like wait.
Yeah, you didn't get mine then, because like mine's like really easy to remember.
Oh. No fucking way, Sharpie, you're using shading.
Oh, I also use shading.
Kidding. What are you talking about?
What do you mean?
Oh, wait.
That's
I
fast.
don't have time. Oh. Okay.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
What is this?
Look at the time, by the way.
Yeah. Oh, holy shit.
Easy. We can do more like rounds if you wanted this, but like.
Oh my god. Damn.
But this is the last round.
finished.
I think
Oh
now
my God.
Amethyst has my drawing and he wants to kill himself.
No, I got
Oh,
your
yeah.
drawing before. I got
What
your
did
drawing
you
before.
draw? I
That was
got a
pretty
box.
hard.
I just got a box. Oh,
Yeah, I got
it's a-
yours.
oh,
It's easy.
It's easy, man. It's just a boat.
What do you mean? It's so detailed. Nah, what?
What happened to my boat? Yeah, I got
This
that one. I
is him
definitely got that
slapping
one.
his brother until he bleeds. Oh, damn, it's actually pretty good. What? We need to recreate the drawing, but okay. You made more detail. What?
I was a bit AFK for a second.
Oh yeah, fucking kill yourself, bro. Like,
That's tough. That is so tough.
like
Nah, that's insane.
give,
No, that was
give,
pretty
let
good.
me get a gift.
Wait,
Guys,
let's do it
animation.
again. I have an idea.
No,
Wait.
not anime.
Okay, no go.
Animation also.
One more
Let's
knuckle.
not do
Okay,
One more
animation
knuckle.
takes time, but
Yeah,
I
and you
don't
can,
mind.
if you want better animation, you can use like a tool to make that you can like when you get someone else drawing and they use the fucking like purple or whatever the fuck marker, you can see it like to add details that they didn't add, but like in the like fucking finish thing, there you cannot see the fucking. I cannot explain.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
what are we playing?
Wait, what? No.
What?
What? No, I just made it longer. Oh. I tried it. I put it on the other setting, but like I made it longer. Oh.
Okay, I'm done.
Geetix needs to have mine. Unless he's a new gen. Are you new gen? Geetix.
Eh?
Are you new gen?
Maybe.
Are you Jumptree
Maybe.
Dash new gen?
Oh, GD, no, not a new gen.
Okay, were you
Bro,
Kamal
I'm
era?
not new gen.
Do you know what to verify low def is?
I've heard of it. Okay.
Okay, I
Okay.
didn't get yours.
Why am I named here? I
Wait, what's verify low dev? I have no idea, bro.
It's a level that Kamal was tasked to verify.
What do you mean? Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Kill yourself. Everyone is so fucking locked in.
Yeah, definitely locked in.
How do I spell your name? Oh, it's Blue Eyes. Hmm.
Oh no, no, Windows, no, go away.
Don't go.
Don't stay, forget a memory, forget a
This is gonna be
possibility.
peak.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, y'all are done. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, no, no, you're not. Oh,
I'm
yeah.
done. I'm done. Holy shit. Wait, why is that the next, bro? What the fuck am
How
I
you guys
doing?
done, bro?
I have like. Why is
I'm
it
not done.
white? I hate white people. Wait.
Whoa.
I hate white people. I hate white people.
Okay. I forgot the raging part, but that's fucking clever. How the fuck do I do? Like what?
What?
Wait, I have an idea. I have an idea. Hey, Lois. Okay, I cannot. I do not have enough time.
I
Maybe
lost.
if you see me at Quahog, say hi. But if you see me at the clam, I'm a talkative guy, and even at my lowest, I'm a family guy.
I'm just a family guy.
Yeah, I
Okay,
kind
I'm
of
done.
cooked. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of cooked.
Same. Holy shit.
What am I looking at? Nah.
Is that me
I think
by
I
any
got shot.
chance? Is that me saying
What?
all my chunks? Am I saying all my
Who do you
chunks?
think that is, bro? Who do you think screams, my chunks?
No, I scream
Every
chunks.
time. I mean, to the fucking sentence, you do not matter, by the way. I just put you, you're an extra.
Yeah, I'm putting that
You're
in.
not
I'm putting that in the
necessary.
sentence either way.
Oh,
Because it's only
we
three
should
people.
Oh,
It's only three people.
verify loading.
Oopsie.
What does that mean?
wait.
That's
I
tough.
guess I
Okay.
did it.
That's
Mine,
so
I
tough.
forgot what I wrote. Oh, it's that fucking
Watch this,
dude.
watch this, watch this,
What
watch
the
this.
fuck are those jokes?
Oh, what the fuck? Jordan ball there.
I
Close.
don't know.
Close.
Close enough.
And this one is peak. This one is so peak.
No,
Real.
that's peak.
Let us speak.
No,
Alright.
that's actually peak.
Should we go knock off our icebreaker?
Let's knock off.
What's icebreaker? Play
Play
with
with
just one
one
sentence, ask
sentence.
questions. We can try icebreaker. I haven't played it yet,
Yeah, I haven't either. Alright, let's try it out.
Wait, 1 second.
so I cannot help you with this one.
Get out.
Wait, should I write this in? No, I'm not gonna. Wait.
Bruh. Oh, well. Piastri is leading right now in F1.
Sick.
Is that expected?
No!
Bro, stop
No.
with the geometry dash, bruh.
I do not. This time it's not me. This time it's not
It's
me.
me.
This
It's
time it's
me. It's me.
Okay, I'm just using my imagination here.
8 jumps of hell.
Did you
Fuck, I
write
don't know
that?
what. I don't know what. I don't know Monaco. I forgot what Monaco looks like. But I do know that one
Bro,
time.
just look it up.
Nah. My integrity's too precious for that.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I finished it because it's like, I mean, I could draw it, but I could do it once it's funnier.
Oh, that's a good one.
Monaco turn. I only know that one town of Monaco, so like.
You could have drawn a straight and like
Oh,
7 people AFK and 200 people behind them at full speed. Nice feeling. So how does it work now? Looks like it's not like normal, but what about now?
I don't know. It's finished. I love fanboys.
Breathe, brother.
Oh my fuck god, did you hear all of that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my fuck god.
Breathe.
Oh my fucking god. You know, what the fuck was that? I did not swallow the fucking.
Oh my god, the lag was crazy.
Relax. You legit saying.
So do I draw 8 Jumps of Hell or Final Destination? Like
8 jumps of hell.
killer
8 jumps of hell. 8 jumps of hell.
Okay. I kind of forgot how it goes, but it's like
I know. I have it stuck in my head for some reason.
I should have used the bucket too.
get down. It's oh my god! Holy shit! What the fuck was that? Holy shit! I did not swallow correctly. Like what? Fuck.
Oh, we springa igen, ne?
Asta
Rád
muta
springa,
pekva, ja, moj.
Nela
Ja
boji,
šta
až to.
ima da haraze.
Yeah, I love that voice. Beatix is cool.
Pola njima srhim.
Guys, don't you read like Geetix's core is just I love fanboys.
Ain't no way.
Yeah. Oh my god, this rank is horrible. I'm sorry.
Okay, done. Done. So
Right,
that's how it goes. Like, we all take a turn on the fucking
Yeah.
shit.
I kind of like that too.
Okay.
I kind of like it.
Actually, yes.
It's not bad.
It's like normal, but without rewriting.
Yeah.
Oh, and I get myself. Okay.
How I get
whatever.
myself.
Time to cook. Okay, man. Time to cook. Time to cook.
Anyways, would I go up an octave? So that's 1, 2. Jump pad 4. Or is it 3? No, it's
Okay, man. Okay.
Oh, is it just whoever drew it better? That's how it works?
No, I don't think there's like a. I think it's just like to draw, like have fun.
full.
What happened?
I clicked the wrong thing. So I made it. I accidentally made it all blue.
It's blue!
It's blue! It's blue! It's blue!
It's blue!
It's blue!
It's blue!
Oh my god, it's fucking blue! It's blue!
Wait.
It's blue! Zaddy! It's blue! Zaddy! It's fucking blue! I swear to God. Wait.
Bruno zien the VC what the VC said.
I'm gonna send it to the thingy. I'm gonna send it in the VC
No,
chat.
that's-
I'm gonna send the thing.
Dude, you guys gotta realize it's public. VC chat is public.
We're not setting like fucking forms or like what?
At this point,
Oh my god,
it's blue.
it's blue! It's blue!
It's blue. It's blue. It's blue.
It's blue! It's blue, bro! It's blue, bro! Oh my god!
Second fucking order,
bro!
bro.
Oh my god, it's Zanny!
Done, done.
Please, please.
no.
Oh shit.
No!
No.
I'm thinking how everyone thinks they're from. Like, it's such a
No.
out of their fault.
No.
What? What? This time I swore.
Wait, oh shit, my bucket! My bucket too! Oh,
Danny, what?
just got it.
So much more than alive right now.
No, no. Shit, oh.
Let's see, GG.
I didn't add the nipple.
Okay, what did Adam
I'm
describe?
sorry, what?
Oh, okay. Okay, let's see
What?
what
What?
part out of it.
I didn't say anything.
Oh, actually pretty realistic.
Triple spikes. But what did I add? A random face?
Помогай, подари!
Got?
To upside down, подари!
Yeah, it goes into that. No, that's
No.
how it goes. The first jump is upside down. The first jump is upside down. Look. The first jump is upside down. The first jump is upside down. Go to Silent Club set. The first jump is upside down.
Oh, they are. Wait, what? What about
See?
Final Destination? Also, wait, what?
Mhm. See?
Okay, buddy. Okay, but okay, now mine turn.
Except I did miss one jump because it doesn't go straight into the blue orb. It does not go straight into the blue orb. So I missed.
Yeah, mine is horrible. Oh.
The bones, bro. Oh my! Oh, I had. Yeah, drawing the people part. I was drawing the fucking AFK part. Like,
That's a good one.
when people were just AFKing, bro. Like, what do you mean? Okay. Wait,
awful.
this might be if Alex did what he said.
I love fanboys.
I fucking called it. I was gonna draw that. I was gonna say that you. I was gonna draw you
Yeah,
saying
you
that.
said.
I was gonna draw you saying
What the fuck
that.
is it me saying? Why is it me? Why is it me saying? Why is
That's
it
good.
me?
That's good.
No,
That's good.
I wanted to save it. Fuck.
I'm sorry.
Do you wanna do compliment or excuse corp?
I think we just go exquisite corpse and then compliment.
Okay. And then
How long is this recording? 25
Oh,
minutes.
head. Okay.
What? I'm not recording.
Wait,
Fuck off, we
who
all
said
know
it's
I-
blue? Is it Zanny?
Yeah, Zanny.
Well, I'm actually using reference to draw.
Zanny is the fattest person alive, so I'm just gonna make him really fat.
You're copying me, but I'm gonna do it better. Wait, what is this current icon, gang?
He's using the Zoink icon thingies.
I see like 7 different icons.
Wait, no,
Oh
he
my God.
uses the Space UK one. No, not that one. The
I'm
W
just
pop
gonna
off.
do
He uses
that
W pop off.
profile
He uses
picture.
W pop off.
I don't care, I'm doing his profile picture.
Yeah, the W pop off one.
Fucking cool.
Reikia soundpadą pasijungti ir pradėti.
Look at the icon on the boy. Oh, you
Profile
use that
picture.
one. Yeah, you use that one. Yeah. Okay.
Wait, are the both of you Lithuanian?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Sure.
No, it's made up our own language randomly, and we both know the same
It's
language.
Borg. No way. No way Zanny was formerly It's Borg.
It's Borg.
Portugal. Manga. Level count 104, 1 rated, 2 CP.
Sorry, what? What did you just say?
2 creator points.
Yeah, okay, buddy. Sure you did. Buckle.
Where is the It's Blue gallery? Zanny's soul picture in 2020 down.
Oh my god.
Should I make a creepy
this
pasta
one
like
is-
that? I'm gonna make a creepy
What the
pasta.
fuck is this? Did Zanny actually verify a demon named Kanye West? Kanye West likes fingers in his ass.
Oh, that level! I love
4
that
years
level.
ago.
I love that level.
4 years ago, by the way.
Yeah, no, that level is so good.
Oh wait, I'm actually gonna add color. Why not?
Yeah, that
gonna
color. Black.
Yeah, mine's also
Oh,
black.
same.
We're all just making
What?
black people.
We all did black.
I'm going to talk real quick.
Nah, wait. No, I feel like it's wrong though. Okay,
Josh,
I'm
imagine
gonna
me and you
touch-
just got like the same black person.
No way.
It is
You probably
possible.
made Kanye. So.
Oh, you did Kanye. Oh, never mind. Wrong black person.
No, I didn't do Kanye. That's the point.
Oh yeah. I did that freak who
Yo.
sticks his tongue out.
Oh, Flight?
Yeah, that guy.
You did Flight? Oh, man, I love that guy. Like,
Instead of making him extra black.
it's so funny. We all just make black people. Bro.
The black episode.
This one is for BLM.
Wrong. It's against.
What?
What?
Nah,
No, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. So that was a sincere lack of
I'm
judgment.
kidding. I'm kidding. BLM is kind of I don't like that movement. Not because I hate black people, but because it's like
He hates black people.
I don't know. I don't.
Well, you didn't say that you love me, did you?
You're
Tell me
black,
you love me. Yeah.
bro.
No. Did you not know?
Oh, you're dead now. Oh, the eyebrows had a lot of.
He looks so freaky, man. It's so funny. It's not at all like him.
Oh, this one is so good. Oh, good thing I had Alan. I'm gonna like.
What is with my drawing, man? Yeah, no, I cooked. You see the black person.
Nah. Well, someone made him like really black, like actually black.
Yeah, you got mine, man.
I'm back. And did I get my own, bro? Like, what? Or did everyone make theirs black?
Everyone made
Wait,
that black.
think why?
Well, everybody made black people.
Let me
Told you we
make
need
him.
more glitter.
Wait.
I told you we need more glitter. Hey, how do I draw a hand? Whoa.
Bruh.
Oh.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, this one's
I
gonna
got-
be disgusting.
Hey, what shirt? What color shirt?
You know what? Make it. I don't know.
Wait, neon green.
Make it neon.
Wait.
Yeah, that's cool.
Fanboy pink.
Should I turn my guy
Oh,
into a fanboy?
I'm gonna make him actually iced out. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm gonna make my guy into a
Wait,
fanboy.
I'm gonna add. Wait. What should be on the shirt?
Like, no way. No, he actually
Eat.
made him black.
Eat
Like,
game.
no.
Game sleep.
Yo, no way, bro.
Repeat.
Nah.
Ah! National!
Чё надо?
National, no?
Чё надо?
I made his fucking bright green shirt say "Eat, game, sleep, repeat."
Tough.
Yo, by the way, don't send it into VC chat, please. Someone is gonna see it and is just not gonna talk to us.
Wait. I don't
No,
see
no,
you
no.
joining now, bro.
Where's people joining?
Oh
No.
no. Okay, I'm actually adding a watch. Okay, I made it diamond blue.
Yeah, my guy's iced out. I'm on.
Who finished already? Bro,
Me?
put some effort. Put some effort in.
Bro, I
One sec.
wrote a whole paragraph. I want to eat my mandarin.
Okay, no,
Nice.
Nin.
Okay, what?
Yeah,
Wait, what color nails should I give him?
pink, of course. Duh. Killing me.
Okay, I'm gonna make him the pink. Pink, bruh.
Wait, I have the perfect idea for legs, bro. Ain't no way.
No friggin' way.
Bro, a guy
Wait.
from the hood with pink nails. That's actually insane. Nah, that's wild. Oh, oh my god, I almost ruined it.
Hmm.
I hope you guys don't judge me for this one.
We listen and we don't judge.
Mine is so cold. Mine is so tough. You have no idea.
Oh, I think I got
And there
you.
goes my plan. And I think no. Wait.
Wait, how did I say your name? G-Tax? I'm just gonna call you
G-Taxes.
G-Tax. G-Taxes?
No, just C6 or some shit like that. I don't care.
G-Taxes.
Fucking Relocast calls me Giatix, bro.
Wait, no, my internet.
Yeah.
I
Time
just
to
looked
do
at his
my
Vidno
W
Gytas.
plan.
I just call him Gytas because that's just a Lithuanian name.
Нечаманный
Oh,
word
really?
стиль.
Аж ти відбуваю.
Охуеть, блядь.
Nigga, Wait,
What?
why is my icon colors used? Why am my icon color used? Hmm.
Книга.
I'm gonna have to censor that out, buddy.
Yeah. Oh, you're cutting a bit.
Penguin.
Hello.
Yo.
Wait, did you hear that? Did you hear that by any chance?
Hear what?
Gytas, you're cooked, man. You're cooked. Wait, I'm
He
recording
didn't
it.
hear it. He joined after he said it.
I'm recording on OBS, by the way. This is the fanboy Judas brother.
You're playing gartik fan?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Join up.
15 plus only.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding.
What? What?
I'm kidding.
Join
I'm
up.
kidding.
Join up.
I'm giving him clown shoes.
Wait.
Man, I just can't
It's
really do it,
raining
bro.
tacos.
Bro, I'm out
Right
of
on
Come
the
on.
cheese.
Blue.
Tacos.
Please.
It's blue! Holy shit, it's blue! It's blue!
Yeah, I got to
It's
stop doing
blue!
this,
It's
bro. I
blue!
got to lock into the drawing.
Can someone finish already?
First time
Okay,
not me, then.
I understand it now, but
Blue. It's
Oh.
blue. It's blue.
it's blue.
Is it white and pink or is it pink and black? Wait.
It's black and
What?
tiny bit of pink. It's black and tiny bit of pink, if you have mine.
Which one do you?
Black and white.
Yo,
No,
no,
white, white and pink. White and pink.
I don't know how I tried like to draw the ugliest legs in the world. I hope I. Oh, wait.
Can you finish already?
X.
Should I draw EBW, Gangster Rap?
No. Nah. Hell. Uh-uh.
I'll just write it, not draw it.
Okay, I finished. I don't know about you guys.
Am I the only one not finished? Yes, I'm not. Last time I was the first, and I have seen everything way.
I got finished off by the Wii pop-off. True story.
Wait, how do I draw the
What is
fucking
that
shit?
game, bro?
I'm doing the elite gooner knowledge shit.
What?
Lead Gooner knowledge. Oh hell no. Finish
Like
already.
some
Finish before I
fanboys
finish
have
all of your pain. Sorry, carry on.
like some fanboys have this shit in their legs.
Go on, man.
It's
Already.
not that high.
Okay, you guys take your time. I guess.
Oh. I'm sorry, who the
Okay,
fuck just
done.
meowed? There we go.
Penguin.
Okay, Penguin Gamer 1.
All right. Nah. Oh, I think I. Wait. Nah.
That's dumb. I thought we were all doing black people.
No, that's
Yeah, that's dumb, that's dumb. Copy it.
Wait, you made him black. No, you made him black and then he turned white.
No, he's just wearing a ski mask. He's just wearing a ski mask.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, you were doing Johnny,
Oh,
weren't you?
no.
You did Johnny.
Why do you do nipples like that? Like it's the second time I've seen.
Wait, no, the EVW
No, no,
actually,
no.
the EVW is actually cold as well because that's also Geometry Dash.
Okay, that's kind of tough. I can't.
This is
That
gonna
is
be the
so
most cooked one. This is gonna be the most cooked one.
It is. Wait.
By the way. Oh no. Oh hell man.
Wait.
What?
Yes, W, no way.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, nice.
Download.
I made
We
the
should do
trousers
like-
grey for a reason.
Oh, that's actually peak.
That's the best thing ever. Should we do one more exquisite corpse, or should we go compliment?
Yeah, why not?
Which one, bro?
Yeah, yeah. Why not? Why not both?
Yeah. Which one you should do? This or this? Yeah.
Okay.
So which one, lad?
Exclusive.
I guess.
Here, let's just do one exquisite corpse because that's what's actually funny.
Yeah. Let's do one more.
Why is bro spamming sound effects, bro?
Okay, draw the bro, Pengu, do you know how to play this now?
Yeah,
Look.
I know how to.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I swear to God, if I fucking get nothing, bro.
Who should I draw? Should I draw me or should I draw Geetus? I'm gonna draw Geetus.
Take to nahуй.
Draw nahуй,
Big shit to
блядь.
nahуй, bля. Wait, why is the guy in your profile picture just shirtless?
What?
Actually, no, I don't want to draw
picture?
him. I don't want to draw him. Draw draft. It's sharp, he said.
Oh, okay. Should I send a picture of myself
Yeah, go ahead.
at this point? Nah.
Pussy!
I'm drawing the ultimate fanboy, bruh.
This isn't making the. What is it me?
Actually, no.
Oh!
Wow.
Wait, how many fanboys are in Lithuania?
Me. No, that's Poland. That's Poland.
And
Oh my God,
everything.
One. Including me.
I might visit Poland pretty soon, I can't lie.
Dude, come over to Lithuania as well.
Poland meetup?
Yeah, no, that would be sick. Me, Empe, you, Gitexus, and Shafi, and then. Who else is in Poland? There's quite a few Polish players, right?
JH.
Wait, JH
Wait,
is
did you
also
say
Polish.
JH?
I said Empe, not JH.
What?
I said Empe.
Invite JH as well, why not?
Yeah, why not? And then
Is
I
this-
guess
wait,
Sand,
no.
even though he's like 21 and lives in the UK.
What do you mean even nah. Even though he's 21, what's the problem with that?
Because like, no,
He's an
Shafi,
unk?
you're like 18 or something like that, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna be 18 in June.
I'm so smart. Du ist, aš ti visiškai net nežinau.
Wait, how old are you guys?
Like, I'm 15, I'm soon gonna be 16. But I have no idea what Gita is.
And you're 1 year older than me.
There's no shot.
Tai
There's
būtų
no
mano
voding.
kelias November.
Ne, mano
Wait, how old-
draugas, tai
Penguin.
man geriausias tai Domantas tas. Irgi lygiai taip pat.
How old are you?
Me.
September.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
Also, it's like 13. Okay, I'm 14, but I'm gonna be 15 in fucking November. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm gonna be 16 in July. No freaking way. I love how we're just like leaking classified information for no reason.
For
Isn't that freaky deaky, guys?
Wait.
a little bit.
Is that freaky deaky? Shafi's pissing himself, even because he's muted.
Okay,
'Cause it's not
so when are we finishing?
I have no idea.
That's like one of my best drugs, not gonna lie.
I'm actually like the Shafi drawing is actually so good right now.
Okay, I'm back.
Shafi, I'm cooking.
Yeah.
I'm
You're
sorry,
gonna look so
Amethyst,
beautiful.
but you're gonna hate my head, bro.
Oh no.
Nah, it's all good. Wait,
Did
I'm
you
gonna make
cook
him
my
white.
icon by any chance? Did you cook the icon?
Oh,
I'm gonna make him white.
maybe.
Bro, the fucking second one, yo, Amphis, the fucking second photo, I don't. That's. Why did you even send all of those like in the VC chat?
Memories.
Just bring
What do you
back
mean
your-
memories?
I don't know what to do.
There's that time.
No, bro.
Wait. Oh, I can't. I won't finish in time.
No one.
I wanna finish as soon as possible.
I have not drawn
Are we
Shafi's
playing
like
Gartic
thingy at
today?
all.
Oh shit. Oh wait, I gotta add a neck.
I drew a face.
Oh,
I drew Shafi a face.
oh my god.
you're gonna love his face. This is. I
Oh,
think
man.
you should take classic Sandy.
Oh,
By the way.
Okay,
oh
so
no,
I
what the fuck is
know
this?
What even
Never
is
sit the
that?
end, man.
What even is that?
Nu, aš tai šnekėsiu greičiausiai visąlaik.
Wait, do you know that fucking guy from TikTok? It's Adri style. He is like, my style in Berlin, Germany. Hashtag all
Oh,
money.
I know him. I
Hashtag-
know him.
That's
I actually know him.
His build is so crazy, bro.
Oh, that's no.
I'll give this guy a high
This is
grade.
why your outfits are trash. Look at this. What do you see? The difference between these two outfits. This one has bland colors, and this one has beautiful colors.
Pretty good impression. I can't lie.
Wait,
Okay.
I'm doing the
But
bubble
what
though.
shading did you guys use, bro?
I did not use any shading.
Actually, me.
I think I might have used a bit of shading.
I
What the
did a
fuck?
little bit.
Only on the hair.
I
only
used a
on the
bit of shading, but it's on the hair, so you cannot see it.
Oh, there's like insane shading.
hair. Yes, not mine then.
To them penguins.
I know, probably not. Mine's not the best.
Wait, I'm gonna do his outfit. My style in Minecraft is boat racing. Hashtag P1.
First of all, fanboy shirt. Second of all,
No way you bro got it.
So I think only Sharf is gonna know this fucking reference.
oh, am I gonna get it? Yeah, I'm gonna draw like skinny jeans if I get them. Like really skinny.
Those legs are pretty skinny, I guess. But I don't think you
Not
can
yet.
get mine.
I mean, I hope.
We're doing some drippy ass march.
Okay, I drew pretty horribly. I'm not gonna lie. Forgive me,
I'm gonna-
guys.
Only the best of the best.
Oh.
There's a town that I remember when I didn't feel no pain. When my heart was like the sun.
If you see a bit of blue pants, that means it's mine.
It's
No
blue!
fucking.
It's blue! It's blue! It's blue! Oh my god, it's blue! It's fucking blue! Zanny! It's blue! Zanny! It's fucking blue! Anyways.
Okay, if I don't get it, then ask whoever got it, and he can draw it.
What is this? WIBRS is going to Poland, the land of Auschwitz, fanboys, Quasar,
Land of
and beautiful
fanboys.
women, mafiosa sister. What the fuck?
True.
What? Where did they send it? What?
Media. This is server media.
Weavers is going to Poland. The land of Auschwitz. Okay, bro. Mid city. Nah. Land of Auschwitz is insane. I'm not gonna lie.
My style in Auschwitz. Hashtag new style.
First of all, I get a a trench coat from the 1940s.
No,
Second of
this
all,
is
I'm gonna-
one guy at my school who dresses exactly like Hitler. He dresses exactly like Hitler.
What?
Second of all, I'm gonna get
The
a
thing he
black
has like most
mustache.
insane greasy hair ever. He has never washed his hair ever. Never washed it.
Come on, guys.
My style.
Well, I have no idea what I drew, bruh.
Mid
But
city.
actually looks like Hitler for no reason.
What the fuck is that? The face, bruh.
Like he plays into it and everything. He has like the whole trench coat, like black trench coat. He has a fucking army bag of some sort. I
Was
don't
it like
remember.
brown? Wasn't it brown? Like Hitler's.
Oh,
What
Gitix,
is this?
I got yours. Gitix, I got yours.
Oh, draw the
This-
skinniest jeans ever and the biggest shoes, like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
longest-
Skinniest jeans and then biggest brown shoes, like long.
like yeah, no, don't make him big. Like make his feet long as hell.
Okay.
Like I got okay. I think
Is
I
this a
got mine.
fucking portal? What the fuck, bro?
I think that
Oh, you
might have
got-
been mine.
Yeah, you got.
Like it's a red portal, bro.
Yeah, I think you got. Yeah. Yeah.
So, okay, so this is another fanboy. Okay.
We love
Way.
fanboys. We love fanboys. No, I'm kidding. I hate them. Every single one. I want to kill them.
What if I was one?
Fucking kill you.
What if I was one?
I'm actually nailing the shading. What?
Sharpie, you're avoiding the question. What if I was one?
What?
What if I was
He
one?
says that he's confessing that he's a fanboy.
I'm not confessing. I'm just
would
wondering. I just need to know how much you would pay to see.
5 cents. 50 cents.
I'll do it for free.
My style is 50 cents fanboy.
Just for you, free.
Nah, if you were a fanboy, I would just owe you up.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Because I love fanboys. No
Appreciate it, man.
problem. Okay, should I? Bro, I made them look like a hot dog. How do you guys even get those colors? I don't see them like in the.
Oh, you know the
You
big
can
color. You know the big
Click on
color.
click on the big color. Like the big color.
The big color. The thing on the very
Oh
bottom.
my
It
God.
shows you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Insane reference. I'm gonna do an insane reference.
I finished it. I got like a fucking
What?
portal.
Oh my god. I'm gonna do an insane reference. You guys are not gonna see it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
These guys, he might go.
Oh, where I got the color scheme. Sorry.
Oh my god, that's an insane reference.
Yep.
Hey, give it back.
Should be good enough.
Right, there we go. I'm done.
Do some.
Oh wait, you know what?
Shitty singing. Dog, wait, I need to remember what else.
What the
Right, fuck,
guitar
I messed
playing
up.
in the background?
Oh well. You all finished already? The recording has been
No.
going
No,
on
I'm
for
waiting.
like nearly an hour now.
I know.
It's nearly been an hour. My poor disk space.
Oh
In
wait,
the meantime, I'm just gonna upload the other video. I might as well.
wait, where?
Alright, select files. I'm really just using that video as like a filler video so my channel just doesn't fucking die. But...
Wait, you have a channel?
No, I'm trying to.
Look me
Sorry,
up.
not that it died. That it would like become alive, pretty much.
Wait, what's the name of the channel? Oh,
Yes.
GD.
No, I have a jump channel on a
Yeah, I
separate
don't
channel.
see you. What?
I have 2 separate channels.
Oh, me?
This is gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fire. I can't wait to see the guy from Auschwitz. Like
Back, finally. Okay, let's
Oh,
see.
this is
Oh
Shelby.
my.
Helping Shelby.
not
That's
me.
I cooked it.
Oh,
Oh, I
that's
didn't
me.
get this
Fuck.
video. I didn't
Shelby
get
is a
this.
sick.
Wait. Oh no.
Oh, that's
hell
me.
no.
I didn't get it.
Which one?
Fuck.
Walter Nepeli.
Niplex.
Your belly. What?
Look, my Belix
Okay,
is.
this one's
No,
Steve,
don't
this one's
send it.
Steve.
My Belix is there.
Don't
Oh,
send it.
wait. Oh hell no.
Wait. Yes.
I decided to add a bit of branding. Nubeli. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to. Oh yeah, no, I did say that I.
This one keep it.
I recorded.
This one
Delete. Delete. Nubeli.
Delete
Join Gartic phone. Join up Gartic phone. It's above all the images.
Hell no.
Billy.
Wait, I forgot to disown copy and send in the thing.
No,
VC chat.
Oh, I think I got this one like as like the last. Oh wait, no. Oh.
Yeah, it's not. Oh, I got that one. I got that one.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
Dino.
My
Oh, yeah.
style in Minecraft Iceboat Racing. Hashtag Mount Akina style.
Oh, I need to copy and send in VC chat.
That's insane.
Billy. No, Shafi, put that as your profile picture.
Oh,
I
so
mean-
this was a portal.
Oh, how penguin? What the fuck?
It's the fanboy emoji.
What the hell? What is that?
No, that's insane.
What? What
I got
did
the shitty
this turn
pretty nice.
into?
I got the shit pretty nice, not gonna lie.
You know,
That's not bad. That's not bad.
Amethyst